What's up guys, TK here at S1 Build. You guys check out these arms right here. We do a lot of powder coating for anyone who needs it. You can get any color you want, or if you have a specific color you need. We're gonna be putting these together today. This is the ALPHA6 and these are the ALPHA6 LITE, and as you can tell, we made these with a little indentation here for you to run a little wider wheels if you can. And these are like the short version. These are the long version that has, the stock points right there, all stock points. And where these bolt up is where these actually bolt up. These end, the toe goes right here. But you guys will see in the end, Mike's over here getting them together. He's gonna put the hubs on. But guys, we put Loctite, putting them, make sure everything's secure. How we put these together, it's pretty simple, but yeah, this is the process. As you can tell, I should have said before guys, these are indented right here. You can see it's all braced up. We also have the OEM style. I'll show you guys the OEM style, the actual OEM that we upgraded front and back. So these are our OEM style right here. Check these out. You see the back is all braced up. Input down, braced up. Brace right here for the hub. Right here is cut and welded. And yeah, and leave like this when done. So we got a lot of these in stock, guys. Also, if you guys want, we have drive shaft in stock. Just call us with your length and we'll make them for you. This first one down right here, this person is going 4-lug, and of course we offer 4-lug and 5-lug for all our stuff, whatever you want. Check this out, it's pretty cool. It's on the second one right now. We've been busy with a lot of orders going out, guys. So we have a lot of orders going out, a lot of boxes waiting to go out. So if you did place your order, just stay tuned. And this right here, guys, is how when we get our drive shaft in, this is how they come in right here. And these are our stage 2, stage 3 drive shaft. They all come 3-inch tubes, as you can tell. 3-inch tubes, fully upgraded. 1310, 1310, slip 1310. You either get a 30K or 60K. Everything gets sanded down and sprayed, and they end up looking like this. This is how they get shipped out, just like that. Here's the second one, just got done. These are beautiful right here, very beautiful.
What you think?
Look good, man.
Yeah, I like them in black. They look good.
Next up, we have, these are the drags. These used to be called the drags, but too much people associated with us calling them drags is that it's only for drag racing. So these are now called the ALPHA6 LITE, because they're shorter, smaller, lighter, but they all do the same thing. You can drag race with these, time attack with these, anything. And these are fully adjustable.
What's up, guys? What we're doing now is just installing the billet toe adjusters onto the ALPHA6 LITE arms. This customer ordered these and wanted them powder coated in black, so we did them in a nice wrinkle black finish. So it's going to look really good. It looks similar to the OEM style arms that we offer, but these are going to give you the billet toe adjuster, and with that toe adjuster it has a heim joint here that you're able to actually thread in or out. So when you do that, you can actually extend the caster of the wheel in the back so that you can push it back for a better 60-foot time. You can also center it just like OEM, but this basically eliminates your rear trailing arm bushing. So now this billet toe adjuster would bolt up where your rear trailing arm would sit, and then you can adjust the toe from side to side there. A lot of the Civics and Integras have issues with that front toe adjuster where they rust out over time, or that bolt breaks off in there. So we have a lot of people that actually upgrade to the ALPHA6 light arms just for that as well.
And guys, don't forget, not only does our arms work for all-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive, but front-wheel drive application as well.
Yeah, so you can use it for, you know, in any application. We got plenty of people out there that are doing autocross stuff, people that are doing drag racing, daily drivers that are using the setups, sport front-wheel drive cars. They like the light arms as well because with these, obviously, they're a lot lighter than OEM. They have the billet spherical joints, and then you can also adjust the caster, like I said, so you can extend the wheelbase of the car, and that helps out give you a better 60-foot time.
Sweet, sweet. Yep. These are pretty cool. And of course, guys, if you're not getting it powder coated, this is kind of how they come in this.
Yeah, so they would come this is raw stainless, so it's not going to rust or anything like that. This one was just, you know, preference. The customer was trying to match his theme that he had going on with the car underneath the chassis, so he wanted to go with you know, getting them powder coated in black.
Black, full incognito look. All right, this is it right here. Check out how this looks. Pretty neat setup.
If you guys ever have any requests or like special orders for, you know, things like this, you have a specific color you want done in powder coat, you know, we can get them done in any color, whether it be the diff mount, whether it be the trailing arms, the lower control arms, billet forks, and any of the products we offer, we can do that. We also have customers that call in wanting to upgrade the rear hubs to have extended studs, so we can do that as well. It would just have to be something you kind of do a special order with us over the phone, but you know, anything we can help out with, feel free to give us a call if you don't see it on the site.
Yep. And it looks like we have, check this out, that's an 85K viscous coupler right there, and our viscous couplers also all brand new, all in house. So just let us know if you want 30K, 60K, 45K, 85K. Let us know. We're here to serve you. There's a nice sets right there. And that's it. And that's it, guys. ALPHA6 and the ALPHA6 LITE. Check them out. If you want to set, let us know.
S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skill we'll have you gripping, don't get caught slipping. S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skill
them wheels are always gripping, them wheels are never slipping.
S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skill
them wheels are always gripping,
don't get caught slipping. You get behind the wheel, build it your Honda's built. It's military grade, but this is not a drill. It's American made, but we all wheel drive the world. I see them changing the game, S1 always will. Got them cars killing speeds and just sound like artillery. It's all will indeed, almost like a war machine, like it's meant for the infantry, Air Force, Navy, Army, and Marines. Now they clock triple digit speeds, and they got them on the bases. Must be all the innovation, watch them racing information. Got the gauges twitching crazy, switching up the pace, shifting in a Civic or an S2K. This is not your daily S1, all wheels gripping pavement. S1, you gon' want a test run. All-wheel drive in the lane in the left one. S1, you gon' want a test run. All-wheel drive in the lane in the left one. S1, all-wheel drive, got the mind of skill and talent. S1, all-wheel drive, got the mind of skill and talent. We'll have you gripping, don't get caught slipping. S1, all-wheel drive, got the mind of skill and talent.
Them wheels are always gripping, them wheels are never slipping.
S1, all-wheel drive, got the mind of skill and talent.
Them wheels are always gripping,
don't get caught slipping. We ain't even on the straights, yeah. Warming up that A6. In Florida got the street cred, we roaring down the street quick. Got that MSD switch, B-Series or a ZC, and that LSV tech, hella clean, yeah. Tell them where to meet at, yeah, we go to Mexico, racing for the pink slips, and ain't no 12 to catch us, so K-swap the world till we spin the globe. K20, MR2, and SXCRX with the K24, reppin' that EF, go back to the days of HF, DX, the EX, before them green underglows. If you ain't see it, you must be running slow. Say you in something we can't afford, but we got that camcorder that's S1 all-wheel drive, got the minus skillings. S1 all-wheel drive, got the minus skillings. We'll have you gripping, don't get caught slipping. S1 all-wheel drive, got the minus skillings.
Them wheels are always gripping, them wheels are never slipping.
S1 all-wheel